The following is a class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 3, Text number 43, given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 24th March 1972 in Bombay.
Just like when at night we are nostadisha, even though we have got this eye, we cannot see. We require light. For a moment there was no electric light, it immediately became black. That is our position. We are very much proud of our eyes. We say, can you show me God? There are so many questions. But what is your eyes? Your eyes, if there is no light, electricity, you cannot see. And you want to see God with these eyes, these imperfect eyes. But they say, can you show me God? The answer is, can you see God? You have to make the eyes, not so this one. Our eyes, our senses are so imperfect, it is not possible to understand Krishna. Other Krishna namadi, namamed grayam indriya. So you have to rectify your faulty senses, eyes, hands, everything. Then you can understand Krishna. That is stated here. Kalo nastu disam. In this age, Kalo, this is called Kali, age of Kali, fight. What means disagreement and fight. Kalo. Kalo nastu disam, isha, puranato dhuna udita. This Puran, this Bhagavad Puran is just like sunshine or sun, uduna udita. So we should take advantage of this sunshine. Krishna's, what is called, Shabda incarnation. This Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna has many incarnations. Just like here, we worship in the deity, this is called Archa Avatar. Similarly, this Srimad Bhagavatam is sound avatar. Krishna can appear as avatar in anything, because this sound means from sky, and this archa is from stone. Krishna claims Bhumi, Rapa, Anala, Vayu, Khang, Buddhi. Khang means Akash. From the Akash, from the sky, there is Sabda, sound vibration. That is the symptom, that existence of Akash. And this Acharya, that is also made of stone. But Krishna, the stone, is nothing but energy of Krishna. The sound is energy of Krishna. So, as the sunshine is energy of the sun, when there is sunshine, the energy of sun, you can understand the sun is there. Similarly, from anything, if you have got realization, you can understand Krishna. Energy. So this Srimad Bhagavatam is sound vibration, incarnation of Krishna. Oduna puna puranato dhuna udita. So, if we study Srimad Bhagavatam regularly, just according to the direction of the Acharya, then we can become God conscious, Krishna conscious very easily. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Not officially, but Nityam, daily, regularly, we should hear Srimad Bhagavatam from the authorized source. Then our life is successful. Nashta prayasu avadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavati uttama shloke bhaktim bhavati naistiki. These things I will be explained very well. Now, it is established that after departure of Krishna, knowledge and dharma is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, personally he speaks about him. And Srimad Bhagavatam, the great saint, Mahamuni, Vyasdev, is speaking about Krishna. So when this question was raised in Naimisharan by the great sages and saintly person, the Suta Goswami was speaking. He replied that Munayo sadhu Krishna. This was the answer. When the answer question, the after departure of Krishna, where we can find dharma jnana, that is the inquiry of human life. Athata brahma jnana. This is jnana and dharma. Without jnana and dharma, knowledge and religion, that is not human society. Everyone should be inquisitive. Athata brahma jigyasa. That is brahma jigyasa. Jigyasa means inquire. Everyone should be interested to inquire about dharma and jnana. That is human life. Tapodibam. The Rishabdev, the father of Maharaj Bharat, under whose name this land is called Bharatvarsh. Bharat. His father Rishabdev instructed his one and his son that, my dear son, this life, Nayam Deha Dev Bhajan Niroti, this body in the human society is not meant for working so hard like the dogs and hogs for sense gratification. This is not meant for. Don't waste your time in that. Simply for sense gratification to work so much hard. That is done by the dogs and hogs. Tapodibam. This life is meant for understanding God. Tapodibam. For which one must undergo all kinds of austerity and penance. Austerity and penance mean sacrificing our indulgence in sense gratification. Little sacrifice required. Formerly great sages, they went to forest and Himalaya to meditate. Just like Dhruva Maharaj went, a 5-year-old boy, in order to find out God. He went to the forest and meditated. Of course, he was successful. But at the present moment, it is not possible to accept such kind of austerity. But therefore, the Shastra gives us very shortcut austerity. Chant Hare Krishna. Kalau naseva 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 madirangatha. Hare Nama iva kevalam. Little austerity we are asking our students to chant this Hare Krishna 16 rounds at least. This much austerity. But Kali Yuga is so strong that even this 16 round is also very difficult. So we are so much fallen. But still, although we are fallen, if we chant this mantra Hare Krishna as recommended by the Shastra, Hare Nama iva kevalam, just like a small child, he tries to walk, sometimes falls down. Again, he tries to stand up. But we must try to come to the perfectional point by chanting this Hare Krishna mantra. So, the Suta Goswami is replying, after hearing the question, Munaya, this is plural number, all the sages, Sadhu Krishnoham, your question is very, very nice. Sadhu, most, worshipable. Sadhu Krishnoham, Munayo sadhu krishtoham bhavadbhi lokamangalam. Your question about Krishna, that after departure of Krishna, where is now jnana and dharma? Dharma, jnana. Thou say, simply because it is related with Krishna, Shuddha Goswami became so enlightened that your question is very, very nice. Sadhu Krishna. Why it is nice? Because Lokamangalam. This Krishna discussion is so nice that as soon as we begin it and so long we discuss about Krishna, it is Lokamangalam. The whole period is auspicious. At that time, Jamaraj cannot touch it. The death, the time, the influence of time cannot touch it. If we go on in Krishna consciousness, then the influence of time cannot touch it. How influence of time has touched us? We are eternal, but we have been under the clutches of birth and death. This is the influence of time. Not that time is changing, but the influence of time is changing. I am getting this body, another body, another body. This is the influence of time. So, if you are constantly in Krishna consciousness, 24 hours, this influence of time cannot touch us. This is the secret. So, we recommend therefore our Krishna consciousness movement that in whichever position you may be, it doesn't matter. Please try to chant this holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Thank you.